Hi guys, today we are talking about something different, something where I need little help. I'm looking to hire someone to work with me, work where sir. This video is going to give details about what the job is going to be about, what work you will be doing and who is eligible. Even if you are not eligible, if you know passionate people around you, please let me know. I'll tell you how this hiring process works. So basically I run three entities. One is the Mind and Company. That is where I have put most of my money, I would say, and for a greater cause at a global level. We are currently a team of 85, something very close to my heart. The Mind and Company works in the mental health space. Okay, we're a team of 85. So, someone to help me with Mind and Company, I'll tell you what the work is all about. The CA classroom, I'm sure most of you know because you're CA students watching this. CA Classroom is now going to elevate to the next stage where we're going to provide virtual CA classes for all levels of CA Foundation, Inter and Final. Maybe we'll be launching other courses later, but for now, CA. And Dira Test is a test series platform for CA students. These are three entities that me and I work with. Now, what is the work that you will be doing, or in other words, what is the work that I have been doing here for the last 3 years? I'll come to Mind and Company last because that is the most important one for me with respect to this role. In Dira Test, the work that I've been doing in the last 3 years, Dira Test is 1 year old, is evaluation quality. Somebody else will evaluate. You have to check how the evaluation quality is because we have two levels of evaluation. Question paper quality. I don't want the question paper to be substandard. It has to be equal or better than ICAI standards. That's when students get help. And mentoring the CA students. Along with me, it's difficult for me to mentor 500, 600 students or even 100 students. Somebody to support me in mentoring students would be great. Coming to CA classroom, material support. Once materials is prepared for you to review for spelling mistakes or you itself to prepare materials with my guidance. Classes to be encrypted. I encrypt this class and put them on the app. That's an easy process. YouTube management, all the thumbnails that you're seeing or uploading the videos. We have a lot of team already working on this. It's not just me alone, but someone at an operational level. Video editing, if you don't know also, you can learn. Accounts reconciliation. Now, CA Classroom sells many classes. Faculties have to be paid. Reconciling all these accounts, taking care of GST, TDS, all of that. And website management. If you look on the website, sometimes we launch new products, we remove some products, we put some combos. We have a LMS where learning management system. We have a website which is very easy to operate. Currently, I do all these operations. For example, a student asks for a discount. I generate a promo code and give it. Now I'll need someone to help me to do that. And of course, in CA Classroom, RIP and Dira Test put together, replying to enquiries that students make. Now, coming to Mind and Company, the most important for me, guys, especially all this work I've been doing it for last 3 years. I'll come to that later. Taking care of accounts of the company, bookkeeping, preparing the P&L balance sheet. I've been doing this for the last 3.5 years. I will need help now. Taking care of TDS and GST complaints, taking care of payroll at the Mind and Company, receivables management because sometimes we allow some clients to pay after the session. So receivable management. We are looking to launch a lot of mental health workshops in Chennai and across of India. So there is a lot of administrative work for mental health workshops, organizing a mental health workshop. Then little bit of operations. I would say a lot of operations in Mind and Company. So much work is there in Mind and Company as a startup. And we also have some more additional work, lead management. Then Mind and Company has a lot of work, quality control, B2B connects. Sometimes I get connected with HRs of other companies, follow up and all of that. Basically, Mind and Company is more like a founder's office, taking care of sales, marketing, HR, finance, all of that. Sir, who has been doing all this work, sir, for you in the last 3 years? Mind and Company is a team of 85. CA Classroom has a good team. Dira Test also has a team of about 20-25 people. There are people doing this work, but there is someone needed to oversee the quality and ensure that the execution is perfect. I'm the one doing all of this work for the last 3.5 years. Not that I can't do it, I still want to do it, but an added support will give me a lot of time to work more on strategy and other roles, and of course, this work also. Okay. Now, This is the main work you'll be working. You'll be working very closely with me on most of the days. Okay, because this is very key work for me, so I'll be working with you on a daily basis. Who is eligible for this? Very, very important. I don't want everyone to simply apply for this. I want people who are very passionate. What are the important points over here for eligibility? One, I want you to be in Chennai because it's hard to work online for all this work, which is crucial. If you move to Chennai also, I'm fine with it. It's going to be work from home and work from office. We have an office in Chennai, Senate of Road. So you will be working from office and you will be working from home. Mix of both. Sometimes you can come to my house also and work. Any qualified CA who's looking to work with startups, I know for qualified CAs there are so many opportunities. But if startups is something of your interest, teaching is something of your interest, 1 year I'm ready to work, you can come here. Of course, we'll talk about pay in a while. CA final students or even other courses like CS or CMA or any other professional course, let's say ACCA, any other course, you are done with your articles. Articles is done because you can't work during articles. So those students, any UG degree also I'm fine, but with experience, not looking for freshers for this role because this is not fresher role is different, but this is not for freshers. I don't want any CA foundation student and CA interest student, guys. CA foundation and interest student, focus on your exams. Interest student, after inter you have your articleship, focus on that, do well in career. Later we'll see if our paths can meet, not during your education time. And the most important thing is it takes 2 to 3 months to get trained on this work. Let's say you join in November ending. It will take December, Jan for you to get understand the work. So I want minimum 1 year of oral commitment. I'm not going to get anything in writing, but at least that 1 year of commitment that yes, you will work here and you will learn. Of course, the work for Mind and Company involves attending a lot of seminars, conferences along with me. Okay, that's what Founders Office is all about. Coming to the pay, it is going to be a good pay. It is not going to be 10-15,000. It's going to be definitely much higher and much good pay. There's a Google form in the description of this video. Fill that. We will have an interview after that if you get through the Google form. I'm looking for people who are more passionate than pay. Of course, pay is going to be there, but I want you to be passionate. We are working for the cause of education, students, and mental health, and for the community. So I want people who are passionate, who want to make a change over here. So if it is you, or if you know somebody who you might think is the right fit, do let them know. Share this video with them, and if they're interested, let them apply. Let's see how it goes. Usually, this is not the video you see on our page, but I thought instead of me going to some agency and asking for someone, why not ask our own community who can help me? So thank you so much, guys. If you watched till here, even if it was not helpful for you, share it with people with whom it could be helpful. Thank you again.